Hey, how's everybody doing today? I'm Anthony, you're watching Palmetto Prepared, and today I wanted to do an impromptu, at least to show the reality of why you prep. Now, I've done a video before of what you should stash in your vehicle. I can put that down in the description below for later on so you can go back to it, but definitely saved me today, and I wanted to at least have a video showing how being a prepared minded person or being a prepper could help you, especially the people that just started or are considering becoming one. Now, I know a lot of things we can't, ever actually put into practice, or things that we stash away. You can't actually use them unless there's like a grid down, hardcore scenario. But this is one of the things that saved me today, no questions asked. What happened to me, to make a long story short, I was on my way to the hospital to see my grandma, and I had to go fill up with gas. So I stopped at the gas station, turned my truck off, filled up with gas. Now I fill up every half tank, so I mean, it's not like I was turned off very long. Come back in to turn my car back on, or my truck back on, and it didn't start. And it happens like that. Boom. There's no warning. It's not like I had a slow start in the morning or anything like that, but all of a sudden, it's not like even if I left the light on, it was only 3-minute fill up. Well, truck didn't start, battery was dead. Luckily enough, I had some jumper cables in my kit that I have here. Like I said, I'll put a link in the description to show the kit I'm talking about. But I had jumper cables and some tools, some spare tools. So I was able to hook up my jumper cables, flag down somebody. Who's like, hey, you mind jumping my car off? I got jumper cables right here. Just park right here and I can, jump my truck off. Dude's like, sure, absolutely. So he gave me a jump. I drove immediately to the auto parts store. When I got to the auto parts store, I didn't turn my truck off yet, but I walked inside to see if they had a battery for my truck. They said yeah, so I went and turned my truck off, bought the battery, came outside, grabbed a 13mm, 10mm, and started pulling my battery out. So all in all, I had about a 15-minute delay in what I was actually doing. So you can't just think that batteries are going to all of a sudden just crap out on you in the morning or when it's really cold or whatever. Especially down south, they usually show up at the wrong time, usually when it's hot, in the middle, heat of the day. And it can literally happen when you start your car up already at your house, at the gas station, or in a really weird spot. So just keep that in mind. I really wanted to at least show the reality of why you need to prep and why this is so important to have this kind of fun stuff. Because if I didn't have my jumper cables and my spare tools, I would have been at the mercy of making my wife come back home from work to give me a ride to go to the auto parts store to get a battery and change it out. But instead, being prepared and having jumper cables, saved me for the day. So just keep that part in mind. It never fails that something bad's going to happen at some point in your life. Just make sure you're ready for it, and this time I was. So I wanted to chalk that up as a win, let y'all know what happened, and I will catch y'all later, okay? Bye.